passion, pride was his way. I knew a man who started a company. Quality service with old-fashioned pride was his way.
Founded in 1979, Tri-County Plumbing and Heating has been serving your community for over 30 years. What started as a family affair is now a tradition of service excellence and excellent service.
I knew a man who started a company. Quality service and old-fashioned pride was his way.
Hi, I'm Gene Colby, founder of Tri-County Plumbing and Heating. I started this company with my wife Delia over 30 years ago. Providing a quality service to our customers has been the key to our success. Give us a call today at 301-447-6523.
Tri-County Plumbing for all your service and renovation needs.
Tell Delia I said to call.
That number again is 301-447-6523. Tri-County Plumbing and Heating for all your service and renovation needs.